Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about geometry. Okay, so what is geometry? Yes, geometry is about lines and shapes. Okay, so we are going to learn about first topic, line segments. What is a line segment? A line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints. We will learn how to draw, measure the line segments and how to write it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to tell you something that these circles are a bit big. We are not going to make this much big circles. Okay, so I am going to show you how to measure it. So first of all, I tell you to bring a pencil, a book, a scale or a ruler. Fast, and the eraser also. Okay, so we need to erase. Okay, so line segments. Okay, so I don't have a scale over here, so I don't know how to measure it, but I'll just assume it. Okay, so here I have made a line. I think it would be about 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeters. So I'll just erase this off. Yes. Okay, so this much dots you're gonna make, small dots. Okay, so dots you're gonna make. Actually, I'm trying to make dot, but it's not happening over here. But you have to make small dots. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how to measure it we also have to measure using a scale, right? So if you observe a scale or a ruler carefully, you will notice that each centimeter is again divided into 10 smaller divisions. One small division is called millimeter, means mm. Okay. Thus, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. I don't have space to write millimeter, but mm. Okay. So, how to write it? I'll erase this all. Yes. So, how to write the millimeters? Okay. So, if this scale is 4 centimeters and 5 millimeters. Okay, so 4 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So how to write it? We will write it as line segment. We also have to name it. Okay, line segment also has names. So, and one more thing in names, we should always name a line segment or any shape in capital letters. Means we don't gonna write names like suppose, Priya and all that. Not like that. We're gonna write A, B. This is the name of line segments, and here we do not write A like this and B like this. It's wrong. Okay. So suppose this line segment is line segment AB. So how to write it? We will give a line like this and write A, B, below it is equals to, Now we are going to write this line segments measurement which we have took. Okay, so I assumed it as 4 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So we will write 4, give a small gap and write 5. Okay, so I have written it, and now we're gonna give a decimal point over here. Okay, we have given decimal point over here. So this is how we're going to write the measurement of the line segments. And how to read this? This represents the line segment. This line represents line segment, and below the line segment, which we have the letters, are the names of line segments. See, I've given name AB. So line segment AB is equals to 4.5. 4.5 what? 4.5 centimeters. Okay. So, let's move to the next part, which is figures formed using line segments. Okay, so closed figures, actually figures formed from line segments are usually closed figures, okay, such as square, rectangle and triangle. So they are closed and this have some space between them. Okay, so these shapes are formed using line segments. Okay, so here is the line segment 1, line segment 2, line segment 3 and line segment 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here 3, 1, 2 and 3. So see, each and every figure is formed using line segments. So now we will see each one of them, means square, rectangle, triangle, in detail. Okay, so we're gonna measure it. So let's measure. So you have your scale, right, and everything. And please write down these notes. These are very important. Okay, so first is square. Square is a four-sided figure that stands upright and straight and has all its 4 sides equal. Okay, so 4 sides are equal means what? See, suppose this side is 3 centimeter, then this will also be 3 centimeter. This will also be 3 centimeter and this also will be 3 centimeter. So each and every line segment of the square is equal. Okay, so let's measure then. Okay, so we're gonna name it first. A, B, C, D. Okay, so now we will check the measurement of it. Okay, so I assume it as 4 centimeter. I really don't know. Okay, so suppose CD is 4 centimeter, then DB also will be 4 centimeter, BA will also be 4 centimeter and AC will also be 4 centimeter. Okay, so now let's measure another shape. Do you guess which it will be? Okay, let's check. Yes, it's rectangle. I was sure that you're gonna know that. Okay, so a rectangle is also a four-sided figure that stands upright and straight and has its opposite sides equal. Means this sides are 4 centimeter, and then like square, this will also not be 4 centimeter, that will be wrong. Then this would be a square, not a rectangle. Okay, so as I said, here will be 4 and here will be 4 then, and then here I assume it as 6 centimeter and here also 6 centimeter. So this is how opposite sides are equal. Okay, so I'm gonna erase this. Okay, so I'm gonna name this as P Q R S. P Q R S. Okay, so QR will be 5 centimeter and QS will be 3 centimeter. So here will be 5 and here 3. Okay, so this is how we write it. Okay, so here, right, I'm gonna give you a small note. See it and write it in your notebook. See, here is the note. If a square leaned on one side, it would become a rhombus. Okay, so you know what is rhombus, right? Or, okay, see this, it's a rhombus. It looks like a square. See, this is a square. I have drawn a square, and rhombus is just a little bit tilted or leaned. Okay, now if a rectangle is leaned on one side, it would become a parallelogram. Okay, so now here I draw the rectangle. Okay, so it's also tilted a little bit. I have tilted it right now. So this is the parallelogram, this one, and this is the square. Okay, so they both look a little bit alike, but because this rectangle is leaned or tilted, it's looking like a parallelogram and it's rhombus. So if you have wrote, can we move to the next shape? I think you would know that. It's very simple because it's the last shape, which is the triangle. Yes, so you correctly told me. Okay, so a triangle is a plane figure formed by 3 line segments. 3, see here, 1, 2 and 3. And we have 3 points in it. Do you know points? So this is 1 point, this is the another, and this is another. Okay, so these points are called as the vertex. One point is called vertex, and the plural form of vertex is vertices. Okay, so vertices are, okay, vertex full form, plural form is vertices. Okay, so now this line segments are called sides. Okay, these line segments are called the sides. So we use a symbol to represent a triangle. Okay, so which symbol? It's almost like a triangle, means it's a triangle but a small triangle, small one. Suppose I give the name to it as MNO. So triangle MNO is equals to 4 centimeter. This all sides are 4 centimeter. They can be of any, means suppose here can be 5, here can be 6, and here can be 7. Anyhow, we also give names to triangle. There are different types of triangles, but we will see in the part 2 and part 3. So meet you with my next video. But you're tired right now. Okay, so I think I'll give you a activity. So what do we need for it? Strips of cardboard held together with paper clips, okay, at vertexes, okay, and strips of cardboard are for the sides. Paper clips at the vertices to make a square and a triangle shape. Okay, so see what happens when the shapes are turned. Turn them. Okay, so turn them half means tilt them and then turn them fully. And tell me if this shape changes or it remains the same. Okay, tell me what happens in the chat box. Okay, fast, tell them I am waiting for your answer in my chat box. Okay, so here we come to an end. Here we come to an end. Till then, bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video fast. Till then, bye bye.